Good morning, everyone. John at Michelin King, sporting the hat as usual because it's still rather cold. So again, you guys are liking these packing videos. Gives us a chance to have a bit of to and fro, and you can ask questions. So once it gets uploaded to Facebook and YouTube and whatever, you can leave a comment and I'll get back to you just as soon as I can if you get any questions. And obviously you can use the WhatsApp number as well. The phone's over there. Right, so first up we've got Ian. So Ian has went for our whiskey car wax. So this is a car wax made from whiskey, interestingly enough. Lovely wax. It gives you, this is a gold edition, so we have one left on the shelves. Nice Christmassy thing as well because it is a limited edition, so it's just something more special. Price wise, this is £22, so it's well within budget for a Christmas gift, I would say, probably. Well, it depends if they've been, what their behaviour's been like throughout the year, I suppose. So next up, we've got Fiona. Fiona has come in for our Decon shampoo, so that's called Strip. So Strip is an alkaline-based shampoo that essentially breaks down waxes and sealants and such like. So if you don't want to strip off your wax, don't use this. So it's great for this time of year because it allows you to strip off the old stuff and push on with the newer stuff. So Strip, I quite like Strip, quite a good product. I tend to use it for every seasonal change. So every time the season changes, I'll tend to use this. I'll also, at this time of year, I tend to reach for Wax Plus as well. So Wax Plus is an SiO2 spray sealant. It's as easy to use as Quick Detailer, but it gives you about 6 months protection. So brilliant product. The other thing about it is it can be layered on top of sealants, waxes. If your ceramic coating's starting to die and you don't really fancy the application at this moment in time, if you're doing it yourself, then Wax Plus is quite a good stepping stone, so to speak. And a lot of our customers that have had ceramics in the past, they now use Wax Plus simply because it's giving you that 6 months protection. It's very easy to use. It's ideal for any home or professional users because really, if you really like your paint, you want to decontaminate it. Every seasonal change, just get that old, the tar off and things like that. And obviously ceramics do a job to a point, but tar will still stain the surface that it's on. So this is why with Wax Plus, it's easier to remove. You know it's off as well. You're not really needing to use too heavy duty abrasives or wet sand in some cases. So yeah, good product all round. Right, next up we've got Brian all the way from Luton. So Brian, hello, how are you today? I've only ever been to Luton for the airport. I've never had any layovers as we call it there, so I've only seen it for the airport, so hopefully you're having a good time there today. You've got a free 50ml wax which is called Uncharted. Again, the only way of getting this wax right now is by placing an order over £50. Over £50 and you get a free wax, so quite a good deal there. Oh, nice choice, Brian. Radiance. This is one of my favourite winter waxes. Great price as well, £35. Handmade. Radiance is a blend between petrol and natural as well, so it's very, very nice. Titan. 1 litre of Titan. Half a litre of Pure. Oops. So Titan is the highest gloss sealant that we offer. It's exceptionally good. Really, probably the big thing that I would say about this is the ease of use. It's so easy to use. It goes on, it comes off. It's one of these products that you need to try because probably like most of you that are buying at the moment, you've tried the products that we grew up with, you know, the stuff that was available in the big box stores, let's call them. And most of it was really difficult to use, and the end result wasn't really always worth the effort. This is one of these products, and you come across them. So the Pure, I would say, is one. So Pure is one of these standout products that is so much better than anything else that I've tried. And as a paint cleaner, it's indispensable. This is a must-have. So if you're into your detailing and you've not got Pure, I would urge you to get it on the shelf because it's really, really good. The same with Titan as well. If you've not got Titan, the shine that this gives you is absolutely incredible. It's absolutely fantastic. I would not be without this. I've got family members that are not car detailing, you know, they're not massively into car detailing. They just like to have a clean car. And even they will tell me how easy this is. And we're not talking about, you know, I give them applicator pads and stuff so that they've got the right stuff. But we're not, these are first time users. You know, these will be first time people for the first time that are actually polishing their car. And the difference is night and day. So yes, Titan, must have. Right, next up, we've got Richard. The reason I'm going slightly quicker through this today, guys, is I've actually got the Christmas wax on the brew right now. So it's actually, we're making some of it right now. So it's on the website. It's only £50 for a 200ml. I'm only making 25 of each fragrance. So we have 3 fragrances to choose from. Pop yourself on the website and I would urge you to get a jar. It's a really good wax, very, very nice to use. And at the limited edition of 25 for what it costs, it's incredible value as well. Just double checking that lid's on properly. So Chera, my favourite shampoo. It's a Carnauba infused shampoo, pH 7. Very safe for waxes, leaves a nice coat behind as well. So it just buffers your protection. That's what you're looking for at the moment. And at this time of year, you're looking to just, you can never have enough protection really on the paint. It will get to a point where by the eye you won't really see much of a difference, but in terms of layer, you will get additional protection on the paint. Again, another bottle of Titan. This is just a fantastic product, and you can use it all year round, because bearing in mind you want to put some kind of a wax or wax plus on top of this, so you can use it year round. It doesn't matter if it's, because it's a show car sealant, it doesn't need to be used only in the summer. And one of the interesting things, we're getting quite a few messages and stuff like that just now in terms of safe operating temperatures for waxes. So ideally above 5 degrees, but they will work below that, because there today it's there or thereabouts, and I'm making wax. So natural wax is just, they're not as fussy as your petrochemical stuff. The only thing you need to change is just excuse me, increase the dwell time, so increase the curing time on the paint, that's all. And if you get that right, so what I would do is give it about an hour just now. For the natural waxes, give it about 45 minutes to an hour. The main reason for that is because of the moisture in the air. So you want to just give it a little bit longer than usual. So this order here is for John. So John, you've went for Spa version 2, which is our pH neutral shampoo. No carnauba in this, just a straightforward pure shampoo. If you are a purist, this is the one for you. If you don't want anything, if you've got the luxury waxes, then I would opt for this, just simply because obviously the carnauba that's in this, the carnauba that's in this, the ingredients that are in this will not equate to the same as the waxes like Lily, Samaya or whatever. So if you've got the higher end waxes, you can use this. I use both. I do use both. I quite like the gloss that this retains and builds as well. So this is a great combination, Titan, Chera. I would probably, for this customer, if we had the chance, I would probably get a spray wax like Endurance. So I'd probably put Endurance in with this kit. Right, well there we go. Christmas wax live on the website just now. 50% off, so you've still got that Black Friday sale on, and up to 25% off of everything else. Right, guys, take care. Thank you very much for your time again. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.